So with the first step, you have to search Amazon, sell on Amazon on Google, and this is the first link. You can click here. Once you will click here, then you will be directed to this page where you will get all the information regarding the Amazon selling. Now we will click on the start selling option. Once you click here, you have this option where you can directly sign in or create your own separate account. Right now, in create account, you have to put your name, your mobile number, your email ID, and you have to create a password and then verify your mobile number with OTP. Also remember to use a new email ID which is not has been used before. Now verify your mobile number with OTP and done. Click on create your Amazon account. Once you click here, your account has been created. Now you need a GST number to proceed from here. You can sell without GST also. There you have to use your PAN card, but I recommend you to use your GST number because you will get the access to sell in all the categories. But with PAN card or without GST, you will be allowed to sell in only fewer categories. So I'll put my GST number here, and see, all the further steps are mentioned above, where you have to create an account, verify tax details, store name, shipping preferences, and bank details. Right, so let me put my GST here. Once you paste your GST over here, GST number I am talking about, then it will automatically verify your GST details like you can see over here. Now just click on continue to verify. Once you will click on continue to verify, it will send an OTP to your GST registered number. Also, you can check the same OTP on the GST registered email ID. Now put that OTP over here, click submit after that. Once you click submit over here, your GST will be auto verified by the marketplace. Okay, so now the tax informations are completed. Now you have to give your store name over here. Store name you can give of your choice. It doesn't matter what's your company name, what's your brand. You can give a store name of your choice. Suppose I'm giving a store name of Signature Academy of E-commerce. Let's see it accepts or not. Definitely it's an unique name and it will definitely be accepted, but if you wish you can change it. Whatever name you want, you can keep your store name and later on you can change it too. In next step, once you click, you will get the pickup address option where you have to put your pickup address. Initially it will automatically take the GST registered pickup address, means the address which is registered in your GST, but if you wish you can change it and you can add your different pickup address if your GST address and pickup address is different. Okay, so for now I'll keep the first one. Later on you can change it after your account has been completed. Then I'll click save and continue. Once I click save and continue, next option you will get is choose your shipping method. You want to ship your product by your own, that is called self ship, and you want Amazon to ship your product to the customer, this is called easy ship. Then initially you have to go for, means you need to go for the easy ship, because in self ship you have to manage all your logistics. That is quite difficult for the beginning sellers. So let's keep the easy ship for now and click on save and continue. So in the next step they might be asking you to join the local shop. You can skip it for now. So skip it. Once you select all your preferences, you will get the estimate delivery charges by Amazon courier partner for local, regional and national delivery. Below this you will get two options. The first option is pay by yourself, where you have to pay the delivery charges by yourself to the Amazon, and the second one is include delivery charges for your customers. But I'll recommend you to pay by yourself, because charging customers the delivery charges will definitely impact your orders volume. So let's click it, save and continue. Once you save and continue this option, then in the final option you will get to fill your bank details over here. But remember, you can use current account, either current account or saving account, it's your wish. Just put your bank details over here, but remember your account holder name should match with your GST name or the trade name in the GST. Okay, so now we are at the second step after adding the bank details. Here we have to put the product tax code, that means your product GST slab, right? So if you are in clothes category, you can select your GST slab, and for the categories other than clothing, you can select your respective GST slabs. Let's select and click add products. Now the Amazon registration has been completed. Just click here to add products. Click this button and start adding your products. So this was the complete process of registering on Amazon as a seller. Okay, so before moving forward, ensure to enable the two-step verification for your seller account in order to prevent your account from the irrelevant and fraudulent activity. So thank you very much for watching the video. Keep selling on Amazon.